everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of February 2023 on Monday. Nomaswazi gets the shock of her life from Bamtsimbi, but Bonelo is not bothered. Pastor Kwala and Nosipho plan for their wedding while Nkazimulo shows remorse for his actions. Nyawo is warned about insecting his life in other people's relationship on Tuesday. Nomaswazi is awkward around Bamtsimbi. Kwala and Nosipho are touched by Nka's interview. Mondli is affected by the topic of fatherhood discussed on radio on Wednesday. Wizards suggest that they run from Philippe. Kwala takes Nosipho to Mzimkulu for their wedding preparations. Philippe Hunt Sibonelo, he approves laundering through Kwanjomane on Thursday. The Xolo see Nosipho off as she'll hit or as she head to her new life. Nkunzi, Pastor Kwala and Nkazimulo put the past behind them and embracing a hug on Friday. Wizard has fled and left Sibonelo alone with a huge mess. The wedding is off to a good start. Screwdriver and Mzweze expect nothing but drama at the wedding. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.